Hi there, welcome to the GridMate learning channel. Today, we will provide a step-by-step guide for setting up the Grid interactive filters. The Grid interaction filters provide a genuine spreadsheet-like experience in Salesforce, enabling saving time, enhancing usability, and boosting productivity. We will apply the interaction filter on this grid. For that, edit the Lightning page in the App Builder. Next, scroll down. Simply enable the interaction filter. That's it. Click Save. Click Back. The filter icon is displayed on all the columns. Let's apply filters by value to the stage column. Select the values that you would like to be displayed. Hit Apply. The filter has been applied based on the selected value. Next, let's apply the filter by conditioning on the Close Date column. Select this year. Click Apply. After applying the filter, we are left with only the values from this year. We can observe all the filters have been successfully applied. The columns on which the filter has been applied will be highlighted in blue. From here we can delete the applied filters. The filter that we applied initially had the default condition set as AND. We will now switch the condition to OR. Check the syntax. Click Save. The result has been changed. Let's delete the filters. Click OK. Thank you for watching.